Uh, Welcome, and I just wanted to share with you. I'm really excited to be a part of the Mind Awake webinar. And in the webinar, we're just going to dive deeply into we're going to start with a real rich, deep meditation, just to take us directly into a seeing of who we really are. Because only our direct experience of who we actually are is really going to begin to change our life, to begin to slow down the seeking, and to begin to allow who we are authentically to come to the forefront. So I'm going to dive in with a real deep meditation, maybe accessing some peace and contentment. And after that, there'll be time for some questions and some discussion. So I really just want to invite you to the webinar. If you can make it, it would be amazing to have you there. Come find us and join us in this deep, deep peace and this celebration of awakening. Thank you.